So this is called a hybrid burner. T-Rex hybrid burner, I think. And this is made by a guy called Jared Price. This is a father-son company. And these are meant to be really great really great burners for gas forges. So I'm pretty excited to try this out. You know, he sent me this, he wants me to try it out and, you know, let you guys know how I like it. It's painted, it's got a stainless steel tip. It's gonna be exciting to try out. Nah, can't try it out today. He's also sent me some HYB-UV, and this is like a jar of stuff that's used to coat ceramic wool and kind of increase its performance, I think, if I remember correctly. But yeah, thank you so much for sending me these things. Build quality looks pretty neat, you know. That weld there is really nicely finished. Hybrid T-Rex burner. For now, it's a thumbs up. We'll see how it works in use and how it compares to some of the other burners I have. So this is a 3/4 inch, and my plan is I want to see, because they say they're a pretty good burner, I want to see if this will replace 2 of my current 3/4 inch burners. It might not, actually. That might be a little bit too presumptuous of an idea, but it's gonna be an exciting thing. Thanks, T-Rex burner. Appreciate you sending me this. Looking forward to trying it out. So I guess you can call today another day off, kind of. But I've still got a lot of stuff to do. I've been running errands all morning, and now I'm about to head off to the Norfolk Broads, because a friend of mine asked me if I wanted to crew his boat at a sailing race. That's gonna be a lot of fun. Okay, so I'm here. Hey, Tim.
Hey, Alec.
We're gonna be sailing one of these things. What do you call it?
They're stars. They're pretty big. They were an Olympic class, but now they got dropped from the Olympics, so no one really sails them these days, and so we're looking to win the British Championships.
This is a British Championship race.
It is.
My goodness. I cannot believe you're trusting me to crew this thing.
I'm not really.
Huge amount of fun. Thank you so much for having me, guys. Really appreciate it.
Really fun.
It's been a pleasure.
See ya.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Cheers.
What an awesome day. Right, now I've got to go back home and do some more stuff. Okay, it's now 7:28 in the evening. There's a taxi waiting for me downstairs. I'm gonna go to the... Hi there, how you doing? Yeah, train station. Awesome, thanks.
How are you, alright?
Yeah, doing great, thanks. How about you? Have a great one.
Cheers, bye.
Bye-bye.